Umentri ramba ke jelau ukonrat kanggal sangma ulakan taj. Bagadan ke jingbam ler trikam ni fiel jong sarkar ha kabaidi bat ke jing penne ya kesukasan ha ke jela. Khamtam ha kabaidi bat ke jing trikam ki pulit. Ha bakal mentang singi menteri ramba ulapan kesan ni kata nak pulit nak ba ulong. Baki pulit ha ki sinam ladap kela trishtom ban warra ya ke jing singan ki paj ba nong snong. Henry ya kena kam jing pulit omdan be itu ni yoro setia. Bat ula benrap pementa habala ami ke jingja hakini gisi la ami ru ke jingkli balai ki pulit kemla melei e Henry habaki pulit kila yo ya ke jingtip bati kena na kitrat sintiat badan biang ke jingtimu ban petai bom haslong balada melei e kipat ba hi ken ong baki pulit kila dei ban siam ya ke senjam ulong bakum kini ke ke jingja ka pelong baki kam kimya kat kum ke jingtimu Bat badai namar kini gijingja on keno bakadai gijingbam la menteri kam kalong ke bam yahap setia.
See, one can look at a particular incident and come to a conclusion. I have no comments to mention about that. But if you, as I said, if you look at the overall work that the police department has done in the last few years to really ensure that there has been overall peace and at the same time resolving a lot of complicated cases in a very, very short time, one doesn't realize all those aspects. So if you look at the entire cases that came up, the police department was able to resolve most of those issues. And sadly, the public does not give credit to the police when they do their part. Now, when this whole situation was there, we had a very strong intel, as I said. Number one, when the Laimukra blast took place, there was a lot of anger among the people. And people said that, why isn't the police doing anything? And then, of course, when the police moved forward and got a very strong intel that another blast would be taking place and another IED would be placed in another location in Shillong. And if the police had not acted on it, and it did happen, then again the public would say that they should have acted on this. What I'm trying to say is that these are all situations and circumstances, and sometimes they don't go as planned that they are. To term this one incident as a failure, I feel is a very, very harsh way of looking at things. There are a lot of things that we do, a lot of situations that have been diverted and averted, and those aspects also need to be considered. And therefore, as I said, this should not have been the situation. There would have been a situation where the arrest would have been made, but unfortunately it led to other circumstances. And therefore, in order to ensure that all the facts and the truths come out,